Hey everyone, in this tutorial we'll be creating an image gallery. So to create an image gallery, we'll first start off by creating an image first. So to create an image, we have image src is equal to metro, which is the image name, .png, the format. Then we've got the width and the height. So to create an image gallery, we'll need to add div class is equal to gallery and a closing div tag here. Then underneath image src, we'll need to create another div class and we will call it dsc, which represents description. And here's what we would like to write for the description. So that was for one of the images, and we can copy and paste it for as many images as we would like. Next we'll go to style.css. So div.gallery, margin we've set it to 5px, border 2px solid gray. So for each of the images, the width of the border will be 2px, solid and gray color. Float we've set it to the left, and width 180 pixels. Div.gallery hover, background color we've set it to 87 CEEB, so that's the color when we hover over the images. And div.gallery image, so width 100% and height auto. Div.dsc, padding, which is the spacing between the contents and the border, we've set it to 15px, and text align we've set it to the center. So if we run that, it will look like this. So here is our image gallery, and I hope you guys have learned something new in this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video.